Do you know what is saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds? Let's study these. Consider methane. It has one carbon atom to which 4 hydrogen atoms are connected to satisfy the valency. Increase one more carbon atom. You will get ethane. It has 2 carbon atoms connected through single covalent bond and has total 6 hydrogen atoms to satisfy the valency. In carbon compound, if carbon atoms are connected through only single covalent bond, then that compound is called as saturated carbon compound. Consider ethene. It has 2 carbon atoms connected through double covalent bond and has 4 hydrogen atoms connected through single covalent bond. The carbon compound in which carbon atoms are connected through double or triple covalent bonds, such compounds are called unsaturated carbon compounds. Consider ethyne. It has 2 carbon atoms connected through triple covalent bond. Hence, it is called unsaturated carbon compound. From these structures, we can conclude that saturated carbon compounds are those which have single covalent bond between carbon atoms, whereas unsaturated carbon compounds are those which have at least one double or triple covalent bond between carbon atoms.